Dear colleague, my name is Dr. Ali Aborahma, Professor of Vascular and Endovascular Surgery at Charleston Area Medical Center, West Virginia University, Charleston, West Virginia. I'd like to invite you to join me at Egypt Vascular 2024 with the Honorable Professor Murad and Professor Suleiman, where various conventional and updated topics in vascular and endovascular surgery will be discussed. The conference will be held on October 3rd through 5 at the beautiful city of Alexandria. I'm sure you will enjoy both scientific presentations and great social events. I would love to see you there soon. Thank you.